Hello beautiful people. Welcome back to our amazing channel, and a warm welcome to our new subscribers. We're so excited to have you here. Whether you're a longtime supporter or just joining us, today's video is something truly special: Ankara outfit styles for mothers and their adorable kids. Ankara fashion is more than just bold patterns and vibrant colors. It's a celebration of African heritage, creativity, and identity. Originating from West Africa, Ankara fabric tells stories, represents unity, and connects generations. Worn proudly, it honors our roots while embracing modern style. In this video, we showcase stunning Ankara styles that are thoughtfully designed to complement both mother and child. From elegant gowns to playful mini-me designs, each outfit is tailored to perfection, highlighting the beauty of the fabric and the uniqueness of the wearer. Because let's be honest, when your outfit fits just right, you don't just wear it, you own it. Ankara is more than fashion, it's culture, pride, and legacy stitched into every thread. Dear parents, don't just dress your kids for the occasion, dress them in their culture. Let them walk in pride, wrapped in tradition, and shining with confidence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful African fashion inspirations.